What's up everybody? Today we are making a primal version of the classic family dinner favorite, beef stroganoff. And we're gonna be showing you two different cooking methods to put this recipe together, either with the Instant Pot or the slow cooker. Whichever one you choose will work. Obviously the slow cooker will take a little bit more planning ahead, but it's super simple. And the Instant Pot, maybe you don't have one, but if you do, definitely a time saver. So to get started, you are gonna take 2 pounds of beef stew meat chopped into cubes, and then you're gonna add 10 ounces of cremini or button mushrooms cut in half, 1 onion chopped up, 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 cup of beef bone broth, and 2 teaspoons of paprika. Mix that all around, and then if you're using the Instant Pot, you are going to set it to manual and then set the time for 45 minutes. And if you're using the slow cooker, you are going to cook it on low for 7 to 8 hours. And at some point when that's cooking, you are going to prepare the sauce that you're going to add. So the sauce is made up of 1 cup of full fat sour cream, 2 tablespoons of some kind of Primal Paleo flour, so like an arrowroot or a cassava or a tapioca flour. And then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of the Primal Kitchen spicy brown mustard, 1 tablespoon of the Primal Kitchen steak sauce, and whisk that all together. Next, with the Instant Pot, you're going to do a quick release, which means that you're going to let the steam out the top. It's gonna make that hissing sound, and we're gonna add our sauce. And with the slow cooker, we're just gonna open it up and throw the sauce in, mix it all together. And with the Instant Pot, you're going to once again set it to manual, but this time we're just gonna cook it for 2 minutes. And with the slow cooker, we are going to cook it for about 15-20 minutes, again on low. Next, it's time to prepare your pasta, and for this recipe, we use the Capello's fettuccine. It's a grain-free, gluten-free, almond flour and egg-based pasta. And for that particular type of pasta, we found the best results came from cooking it separately on the stove. So that's what we did. We just cooked our noodles for about 90 seconds on the stovetop. That's all it takes. So once the Instant Pot has cooked for 2 minutes, this time we're gonna do what's called a natural release, which is where you don't let the steam out and you just let the pressure release naturally, which I think it took about 15 to 20 minutes before I was able to open and take the lid off. You're gonna add your pasta, mix it around. Same thing with the slow cooker, just open it up, throw it in there, mix it around. And the last step is to add a little bit of fresh parsley, and that is it. Beef stroganoff is definitely something my mom made for me growing up, and I can tell you this is one of those dishes that I don't think I would be able to tell the difference if someone served it to me. So I encourage you to try it for yourself. If you want to pick up some Primal Kitchen mustard or some Primal Kitchen steak sauce, head over to primalkitchen.com, use the code HELLO20, and you'll get yourself 20% off. Thanks for watching.